Bella, you can now blow your candles. So you have 21 candles. So let's start here. Okay, so of course, every candle there you have it. Per magic candle ata yun.
Wala nang hangin, wala na. Wala nang hangin.
Wow, there you have it. Come on. Yes, there you go. Okay, ma'am. Kamusta naman po pag-ibig? But imagine, last year. Bonggang wish. Feeling secret man. Okay, palakpakan po natin. Of course. So, syempre, bago tayo magsimula, may ibigay akong magic word sa inyo. Alright. So, pag sinabi kong, what is the magic word? Anong sasabihin natin? No. Happy birthday,
Bella!
Okay, so what's the magic word?
Happy birthday, Bella!
Okay, one word po siya. Kasi what's the magic word? Only one. Happy birthday, Bella. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this time we will have our game. So, kids? Okay, lahat po ng mga ni Bella. Ayan po tayo lang.